This may look like an ordinary lightning cable, but it's not.
What?
This cable is actually a very dangerous hacking tool and is the reason you should never plug in a random cable into your PC. So what makes this cable so dangerous? For one, it can self-destruct. More on that later. Plugging this cable into your computer will trick it into thinking it's a keyboard or mouse. The cable will then run a bunch of commands on your computer which can cause all sorts of destruction. Or in this case, Rick Astley. This cable is actually more dangerous than the classic rubber ducky because it can run up to 8 payloads and be controlled remotely. When the hacker's done with the cable, they can wirelessly self-destruct it, meaning they'll delete any data and you can continue using this as the normal cable without ever knowing you were hacked.